Hello guys, welcome back to Unported Legend. Today we're back with another brand new drone flight. So yeah, it's a really nice day. So yeah, I'm flying my drone in a place that I've never flown before. I'm in Wembley in northwest London, and yeah, without further ado, we're going to explore the area. It's going to be a nice drone flight. So it's going to go to the max height first, and then we're going to do a 360 photo. Look at that, you can see the London skyline. So I'm all the way northwest. I'm going to explore the area. Alright, so 360 photo is complete. We're now trying to zip around Wembley. So as you can see, this is a Metropolitan line train that's just pulled up into Wembley Park station. So obviously we've got the main area of Wembley right here. Got the stadium, but I think there's going to be a no-fly zone when I go near there. Yeah. Without further ado, let's go closer to Wembley Stadium. We're going to see at what point the no-fly zone starts. Just going to go towards the stadium right now. I'm going to get a nice shot of it. Look at that, nice shot. So let's see how far we can go towards it. See, the stadium's so tall that that's higher than my drone. And yeah, we've entered the no flying zone, so that's how far we can go towards the stadium. So yeah. Then we've got the Wembley Boxpark over here. Let's go towards that and explore that as well. Okay, the no flying zone happens there as well. Let's go sideways and explore the area. See, look. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go away from the sun because otherwise my phone's gonna get overheat again. When I flew in Whitechapel, my phone overheated while it was in the sun. But I think it might be too late now. The phone's already started the process of minimizing CPU usage, and then I'm gonna lose FPS when flying. So you've got an Asda right over here, nearby where I'm flying. So yeah, let's get a tour of the Asda car park. So yeah, it's a really nice shot. Let's go sideways a little bit. Yeah, the wind's picked up a little bit, unfortunately. What else can I explore? Let's go all the way down there. Let's get a static shot of this area. Let's get a static shot of this road. We're going to go around the area. Let's explore the main part of Wembley Park. So let's just stay around here. That's the area where I came from. It's a long way down there, it's crazy. You know, let's explore this park a little bit. And we'll check out the trains as well. So we've got this nice little thing over here in the middle. Got a train coming, I can hear it. I'm gonna follow it that way. Alright, so it's going towards Central. Look at that. That's an amazing shot, look at that. We've got Central London right over here. We've got a depot, train depot right over here. Let's go near to that. So I'm not sure what area that is, but as you can see. Let's flip the drone around now. I'm gonna come back, you can see another train. You can see below us as well, train. And of course we've got the park over here. Now I want to get a nice close shot of this 2 high-rise. I'm going to get a nice orbit shot of it. So the building. Actually, let's get a nice orbit shot. That's a nice shot. Actually, let's get a sideways shot of the area. So yeah, what's down there? Let's explore down there as well. There's a lot of trains here. Got to not stand in the sun too much, otherwise my phone's gonna overheat. We've got the park over here. I'm gonna go sideways and get a sideways shot of Wembley Park. Look at that, you know what, I take a photo of that, get a nice shot of that, nice static shot. I'm gonna take a photo of it as well. 40 megapixel photo. Get a nice composition. Go towards it a little bit. We're starting back. We're just gonna keep on getting a sideways shot. It'd be sick to get a reverse shot actually. Going further away from the place. Alright, let's go sideways again. So let's go below. We're below the, not below, above the Asda store. We're now gonna go towards this little building over here. We're gonna get a close shot of it. So you've got a little garden there. Amazing. So let's see what's happening above. Gonna get a nice orbit shot of it. The shot's quite tricky to get, but I'm trying to go sideways. Let's see what's above. See solar panels on there. Insane. I'm gonna turn around. We're gonna have a look at this garden. Little garden over here. Let's see what else we've got. We've got the other building over here. Look at that. It's amazing to see the top of it, see what it looks like. It's literally like a concrete jungle. Really sick shots. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go get shot towards these red buildings over here. Let's see what it looks like. So yeah, you can see building at the top. Got a nice sky garden up here. Let's go towards this as well, this little building over here. Looks like there's a construction going on top of it. Obviously I can't see what's going on my phone screen, but on the 4K display I'll be able to see it properly. So let's just stay local now. Battery's a little bit low. Well, it's going to get shots of. I'm gonna get a shot of the local area, Wembley Park. See what's going on down here. Gonna get a static shot for this for like 10 seconds and head back. Alright, let's start them back now. Get a nice descending shot of central London. Get a descending shot of the trains coming as well. Get a nice start. Now we're gonna land. Beeping noise is gonna start now. I'm gonna move that away from my microphone. Alright, that was my amazing drone flight in Wembley. Thank you for watching and I'll speak to you in the next one.